All right, at the Joyner Family Insurance office, our world headquarters, we like to call it, and hope everyone's having a great start to their day. It is that time where we have the pleasure of doing another charity presentation for our Help Our Community referral program. So as everyone knows, every quarter we pick a different nonprofit in our area. There's so many great nonprofits. And we appreciate the referrals and suggestions we get from clients and others as to nonprofits that we can help. So please keep that coming. But this past quarter, we are pleased to work with Teen Court and present a donation to them as our charity for the quarter. And they were kind enough to come in our office today. So just quick introductions. Of course, from JFI, everyone knows Marianne, Director of First Impressions, and our marketing director, Megan. But then from Teen Court, we're happy to have Lori, their Chief Operating Officer, and Emily, a client coordinator. And we'll let you guys just tell us just a little bit about Teen Court, as much or little as you'd like to. Happy to have you.
Yes. So thank you very much, first off, for having us here and for this generous donation. I just want you to know that this donation will help the youth that we serve, the at-risk youth throughout Sarasota County, receive programs without barriers to pay for it. So we really appreciate this opportunity. We are a 501c3, so we write grants and do fundraisers and look for general donations to help our youth. In lieu of a juvenile arrest, law enforcement or the Sarasota County Public School Systems will refer a youth to us in lieu of expulsion or an arrest. So Emily is my colleague, and she is a client coordinator, and she serves families. I'm on the business side and help write grants and look for funding to help our kids. Last year we served over 700 kids in 2022.
Amazing.
And we've hit over 800. So we're serving a lot of kids from university all the way to Northport, and then some of the kids that come in from out of state and make a little boo-boo.
Wow.
And we really believe in second chances, and that we want to make sure they go on to college, the military, and get jobs without a tarnish on their record. And Emily, would you like to share anything about what you do for us in Central and South Sarasota County?
Sure. So I'm a client care coordinator, and I work with the students individually and directly. We meet with their families, we talk to them about what their individual needs are, and then we direct them through the program. So that could mean going to our court night. It could also mean going to Camp X-Rayed or groups, and we also provide counseling opportunities if they need that.
Right, yes, we have mental health counseling, and our substance abuse program is unique, unlike any other. So we encourage you to look at our website, sarasota.teencourt.org, and check us out and learn more about what we do.
There's great information out there. And just neat that, kids go through the program, but then they have resources for support, so we hopefully keep them out of doing that in the future as well. But there also are volunteer opportunities for kids that are maybe looking for volunteer hours, like high schoolers. That's a big thing, I know, but to come and serve and help you all out. Right?
Yes, and we also tell all of our students that come in, with the civil citations or the school referrals, we love for them to volunteer after the fact. So just because they come in on one side doesn't mean they can't flip to the other. But yes, we are always looking for volunteers.
Right,
awesome.
And they do qualify for a bright future.
Yep. I made my wife happy at Rotary Futures. She deep in that, so I knew those volunteer hours were a big thing. But what an awesome way to give back and be able to serve and do that too.
Thank you so much. We have a 90% success rate, so we're really proud of that.
That's amazing.
Actually, we're about 94 now.
Wow.
That's great.
We look at our recidivism study, so it's we're doing really good work, and it's very successful. So we appreciate you very much.
Well, hopefully this has helped create some awareness. They're a wonderful organization. They've been around for a while, but not everyone is necessarily aware. So as you know, in our referral program, for every referral we get, we make a $10 donation to that charity. So we are pleased to present a check. It's one of our bigger ones for $1,630 to Teen Court of Sarasota.
Thank you so much.
No, absolutely.
You've been on our list for a while.
You have been. So are pleased to do that. And Megan, I think you've got something else, and you can kind of wrap it up.
I do. I will present a plaque, as we always do, that they can hang wherever they would like, in the courtroom or the office. Just for being our charity of the quarter. And for our next quarter, or this current quarter, we are doing the Venice Theater. As you know, you drive over the South Bridge onto the island, and there's a big hole in their building. So we are helping, what is their, they've got a campaign going on.
There's a capital campaign that they have going right now, and very appropriate, especially with us being in the insurance world after Hurricane Ian. It was a perfect match, but they're such a great organization.
They
so.
are, and if you look up the history of the Venice Theater, I mean, it's pretty incredible. They started when Venice started, more or less. That's
So
not
yes,
totally true,
keep
but-
those referrals coming. We definitely appreciate it. So, alrighty. Well, thank you everyone for
Thank
being
you.
here. This has been
Yay.
fun. And thank you again to everyone for your referrals. We appreciate it.
Have a great day.